With the Cadillac XT6 set to enter its 5th year on sale, we don't anticipate to see any type of large changes for the 2024 version year. Cadillac has added a few brand new exterior colors and there are some brand new accent bundles for the sporting activity trim, but these are minor changes. As a carryover design, the 2024 XT6 is expected to share the same outside layout as the current model that's on sale. The current XT6 features a strong design with some famous Cadillac touches like the brand name shield logo on a shield-shaped grille, slim headlights, as well as up and down oriented daytime running lights. At the rear of the SUV, the XT6 has R-shaped taillights, double exhaust electrical outlets, and also a back looter. For 2024, the XT6 will certainly be readily available in brand new outside colors that include Emerald Lake Metallic and also 12 o'clock at night Sky Metallic. These repaint work will certainly cost added. Compared to various other midsize SUVs in the sector, the Cadillac XT6's interior design ages the lorry. The tiered dashboard has a part that climbs as it gets to the vehicle driver, which houses the air vents, while a tiny main touchscreen is positioned within the dashboard. Cadillac currently offers the XT6 with two various engines. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder that makes 237 horsepower. The upgrade is a 3.6-liter V6 that's ranked at 310 horsepower. Front-wheel drive is typical as well as all-wheel drive is offered. Both engines are coupled with a 9-speed transmission. The 2024 XT6 is anticipated to preserve these powertrains for the upcoming version year. The 2024 Cadillac XT6 is anticipated to be available with the same security features as the current SUV on sale. Ahead crash caution, pedestrian discovery, automatic emergency braking, lane separation caution, lane maintaining assist, back cross traffic alert, dead spot tracking, automated high beam aid, a driver interest display, and parking sensing units ought to be conventional. Offered features will certainly include Super Cruise, hands-free park aid, night vision, a surround view vehicle parking electronic camera, flexible cruise control, as well as a head-up display.